Hello, and thank you for taking the time to learn more about myHRcounsel and our suite of legal solutions. myHRcounsel has been changing the way HR professionals get the answers they need to everyday HR issues since our inception. We are giving HR and management teams access to high-quality legal advice literally at their fingertips through the use of our one-of-a-kind Ask an Attorney portal. Our goal is to be the #1 resource for all human resources teams to turn to for fast, reliable answers to those pesky HR issues that come up daily. Stop worrying about how much it will cost to contact an attorney or whether you will have the right answer to tell the employee who is threatening a lawsuit, and let our attorneys answer those questions for you. Our overarching mission is to keep employers compliant. We firmly believe that access to quality attorneys should not just be the privilege of the biggest, wealthiest companies. We know the statistics are grim. 1 in 5 small and medium-sized companies will face an employee lawsuit with an average cost to defend of over $125,000. Many small companies simply cannot afford to be out of compliance, and that's where we come in. Our team of 35-plus attorneys come from all different legal backgrounds and have hundreds of years in combined legal experience. We assist clients every day with questions related to hiring, background checks, I-9 compliance, disciplinary issues, FMLA and other state leave laws, the WARN Act, OSHA, terminations, separation agreements, basically from hire to retire and everything in between. Here are a couple of examples of our most commonly asked questions to give you an idea of the breadth of topics our attorneys are well versed in. Do I really need an employee handbook, and how do I keep it up to date? I have an applicant that failed our background check. Now what do I do? I have an employee who is requesting FMLA, ADA, or workers' comp. What do I do with that? We need to fire an employee, but are worried they might sue. How do we protect ourselves? myHRcounsel is different from a traditional law firm in that we have an affordable and predictable pricing model based on the number of employees working within your organization. We bill the same amount every month regardless of how many questions you've asked or how many documents we've drafted for you. Since we do not bill you hourly like a traditional law firm would, we are highly incentivized to turn around your legal questions as quickly as possible and guarantee a response within 2 hours or less. Further, we are staffed with only licensed attorneys. This means that each of your consultations with us is protected by confidentiality and attorney-client privilege, something that non-attorneys cannot provide. The cost for myHRcounsel is $1.49 per employee per month with a $75 per month minimum and a 1-year contract period. For example, if your company has 75 employees, your total monthly cost for a service would be $111.75. That includes everything up to the point of litigation, including unlimited access to our team of attorneys to ask HR and employment-related questions, a legally completed employee handbook along with updates as needed, and access to hundreds of employment law documents and templates. But don't worry, as a myHRcounsel client, you don't have to do those documents on your own. Have one of our attorneys do the drafting for you and put your mind at ease that the document will be done right. Accessing our team of attorneys is easy at www.myHRcounselcompliance.com. This is where you can go to sign up, access our free HR and Business Solutions Centers, and access our Ask an Attorney portal. Once you hit the myHRcounselcompliance.com landing page, signing up for myHRcounsel is a cinch. Simply click on Premium Services. Select the service you would like to subscribe to and hit the subscribe button. This will take you to the subscription page where you enter basic information such as company name, address, company contact phone number. Then you'll choose who within your organization will be the billing contact. Don't worry that you don't have to input any credit card or other bank information. We will gather that information from you later on in the process. Initially, you'll be able to set up 3 users on the system, providing first name, last name, and email address. Don't worry if you need to set up more users. You can always email info@myHRcounsel.com to have more users set up. Remember, you will want to keep this limited to members of the HR and management teams. Enter in the number of employees you have within your organization, tell us how you found us, and then again, select the service that's applicable to you, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Submit. Once you click Submit, an email will be generated to our sales and marketing team. You will then receive an email that looks like this that contains your login credentials. Watch your spam folder because sometimes the email will end up there. To access our team of attorneys from myHRcounselcompliance.com, click on Ask an Attorney to log into the Ask an Attorney portal. Enter in your email address and the temporary password from the email and click Login. You will be prompted to create a new permanent password. Click Submit once you have your password entered, and now feel free to log in with your newly created email and password. Once logged into the system, you will automatically land on the home screen. Clicking on the ticket icon will show you 4 different filters to sort through your tickets: all tickets, new tickets, active tickets, and closed tickets. To add a ticket, to ask our attorneys a question or have them review a document, you'll click Add a Ticket, enter a subject line, select a subject matter from the drop-down box. If you're not sure which subject matter to choose, you can choose Not Defined. And then you will type in the question that you want to ask. You can also attach a document by clicking on the paperclip icon, clicking on Choose File, which will launch the Windows File Explorer. Choose the document that you would like to attach and click Submit when you're ready to submit the ticket. Once you click Submit, every single one of our team of attorneys will receive an email notification alerting them that a client has opened a ticket that must be addressed in 2 hours or less. This portal is the primary method clients communicate with myHRcounsel's team of attorneys. Going back to the ticket icon will show your ticket as a new ticket awaiting a response from an attorney. Once an attorney is assigned and working on your ticket, it will be moved to the Active Tickets folder. Once the attorney has resolved your ticket, it will be closed but remain accessible to you on the Closed Tickets tab for future reference. Thank you very much for your time today. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. You can also request a demo of our system on myHRcounselcompliance.com. Have a wonderful day.